Hey everyone, Carlos here with Bearable Traders. Want to go over my trading recap today on DSW for opening range breakdown. But before we jump in, if you are looking for a trading community that you would like to join, check us out at bearabletraders.com and see all we have to offer. In addition, if you're looking for a good read, check out Andrew's latest book, Advanced Technique in Day Trading, to kind of go over our trading styles and strategies that we trade every day. Thank you. Now let's get to the video. So here's my recap on DSW for a great opening range breakdown. It has sold off at the open, not with a lot of volume. Then the second candle, you can see the volume kind of pouring in. It actually stays at a very high volume here. But right around here, this candle pulls up. And at this moment, without seeing any of this, you cannot tell what the stock is going to do, right? You have this pullback here. It can easily be a trend to go north. But in this case, it sold off again. And then it had another pullback. And on the way down, that's what triggered me to hit the hotkey to get in here for a short, right around VWAP. The minute I hit the hotkey, this thing just appeared all the way down here. It flushed down, so I'm sure a lot of people were thinking the exact same thing on that entry. So I really got a bad entry because I already had calculated my entry here. My stop loss is going to be the top of this candle. So now you'll be able to see this in the live video I recorded at the end. I take 30 minutes of trading and put them into two. I didn't catch the entry, but I caught the rest after that. So right on here, now I'm scrambling to find a good risk to reward. You can see my mouse moving on the live video. And then I decide to set this as my stop loss now. Very tight because, again, it can easily go above this. If I had an entry here, then I can let it go here with no problem. I know that it can test this again and then start dropping. But then here it put me in a really tough spot to find a better risk to reward or a stop loss. And I had to set this one. Thankfully, it didn't pull back much. It did test my entry. Only 339 units, 10,000 K of buying power. So I didn't want to use a lot on this because, again, this can move a lot on you. So it starts dropping here. I start taking profits out as it makes newer lows. And then now after I took this one, I was more at ease and more comfortable. And then I start setting more orders to get out at partially taking profits out on the way down. And if you notice in the video, these orders here are all limit orders. You're going to see in the recap of the video, it's going to be fast forward, because this stock was moving so fast that if you hit the hotkey like it happened to me here, you might get a bad fill. So it was so fast that was happening, the price action, that a limit order really helped me out to be able to get out of these trades with a good feel and execution. So thank you guys. Stick around if you want to see the recap on 2 minutes of 30 minutes of trading, and you can see how my limit orders helped me get out of this trade for a great profit. Thanks.